Okay. Just had to drink some water there. Gosh, my allergies are kicking my ass today. Hello, everybody. So, um, like I meant to record this earlier, but I kind of got tired and went to bed. So now it is 7 p.m. the next day after I recorded the Donnie video, which is, kind of funny. I'm slowly, no, I'm not slowly realizing I've been known that I am not a really good person of my word when it comes to certain stuff that have to do with motivation or any type of skill. So, yeah. But I'm here now, so that's a good thing, I guess. Anyways, so now we are here. But considering it's 7 p.m., there is a really high chance of me getting interrupted because my mom is out right now and she's like doing all the stuff, so she like comes home and I'll be interrupted and stuff like that probably. So, I'll probably have to stop mid recording and everything, but it's whatever. So, other than that, that's basically it. I don't really have much to say other than that. I'm also having like a conversation. I'm like having 15 conversations with like other people as I record this. But when I decide to record, I need to do it and record because if I don't, I'm not gonna get it done. I promise you, I'm not gonna get it done. So, Anyways, but yeah, if I sound a bit like snotty, I can't help it. I mean, I can, but like, I do not have any allergy medicine right now. So that sucks. All I have is my carbonated water and my will. So other than that, that's basically it. So this is Rise Mikey X-Winged Listener. And for background information, you and Mikey. I gotta yawn, hold on. Damn. Anyways, so we're back. Fucking God. Okay, for background information, you and Mikey are basically on a date, and you like have Mikey hold on to you, and you like fly around in New York, and it's all cute and wholesome like that. And you also kind of bully Mikey at the end, but it's all fun and games, guys. It's all fun and games. Anyways, so yeah, that's basically all I have. I hope you enjoy, like, comment, and subscribe, right now, please, 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 I'm staring right at you, please. Okay, okay, please, okay, anyways, I am done with my little shenanigans, okay, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this, and let's get into this. You rocked back and forth on your feet. You were waiting on someone. That someone being Michelangelo. You said you wanted to meet him in the forest and that you had a surprise for him, which he excitedly replied, I love surprises. I'll be right over. You laughed, remembering his response, and looked down. You were on a hill. Or, okay, a cliff. It was a wonderful sight. The sunset was beautiful. You breathed in the air with a smile when you heard a voice behind you. Babes? There you are. Oh, did I scare you? Sorry, I didn't mean to. My bad. Whoa, the view is so pretty up here. This is wonderful inspo for a piece. You think you can get an even better view? What? How? This is amazing! You motioned your wings at him, and Mikey gasped. Wait, you'd actually... Really? Okay. Wait. Are you sure you can hold me? Okay then, I'll take your word for it. Let's go! You let Mikey climb on your back and you stretched out your wings, having them pop in certain places. Oh, jeez. Are you okay? Oh, you are? Okay. Hold on tight. Okay. What? I'm not nervous. I'm not nervous at all. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm not nervous. Okay, maybe a little, but it's fine. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. No. I want to do this. It's fine. I'll tell you if I want to land, okay? Okay. I'm so nervous. What if I fall? What if I'm too much for that? What if I... Oh my gosh. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Oh my god. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Holy shit. Oh. Now I'm okay. Just kinda startled is all. But... wow. This is amazing. We need to do this all the time. Let me get my notebook out. I need to write this down. Mikey almost fell off the view while trying to grab his notebook. No. I'm fine. I almost fell off, but I am A-okay. Huh? Where do I keep my notebook if I don't have a bag? Don't question a turtle. No! I do not put stuff there. Why would you ask? Why? That was not worth the ask. Not at all. Nope, you can't even defend yourself. Nuh-uh. Mm-mm. Hey, some questions shouldn't be asked. Anyways, where do you end up taking me? Oh, just a full circle? Okay. No. I'm okay, but I don't want you to be seen. That would be something. I know you're fine, but still, you worry me sometimes. Okay. I'll stop worrying, or I'll try to stop worrying about you, okay? Okay. Wait, I just found this recipe online. Wait, listen to this. So, like, it's a pizza recipe, and you know how I've been trying to, like, make pizza of my own? Yeah, so, like, cause, like, I really want to, like, bake and stuff and cook and stuff, and, I find it fun. So, I was looking at recipes, and I'm scrolling on my phone right now, and this one is, like, those, like, pizza specials where, like, instead of just the pepperoni being on the pizza, it's in the stuffed crust? It's one of those recipes, but it has, like, extra stuff in it, and, like, you can put your own additives in it and stuff like that. And it sounds good. Yes, I know, it sounds amazing. Like, I was just wondering, like, maybe I could, like... Donnie's gonna kill me for this one, but maybe I could, like, make a Hawaiian version of that, like, and put, like, pineapples in there. Wonder if they'd cook, though. I'll have to figure that out when I try it. I'm thinking about trying it, but, like, we don't have all, like, the ingredients. You willing to get the ingredients for me? Babes, you're the best. This is why I love you. Thank you so much. Just don't tell any of the others about this. I want to make this a surprise, you know? Yeah, it's gonna be so cool. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, like a meat lover's pizza. That's a good idea. Like a meat lover's pizza, and like all the extra toppings are in the stuffed crust as well. It sounds like a mess, and stuffed crust would be like really, really stuffed. But that sounds so good. Oh, that sounds so good. You're making me hungry. Stop. It's so what if I'm the one who brought it up? You added on to it. Now I'm hungry. Ugh. Maybe I can like I can walk you home and I can steal some of your snacks or something. No, I won't steal your favorite snacks. Not this time, but you know. Anyways, you know. Hey, are you okay? You look tired. Oh, okay, if you say so. Okay. I just wanted to make sure, you know. I know, I said I wouldn't worry about you. Sorry, 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 sorry. I'll stop, I'll stop. Okay. Mm-hmm. Huh? What? Oh, did I fall asleep? My bad. I didn't mean to. Huh? What? I was drooling? Um, uh, I was drooling on. Oh, I'm sorry. Here, let me. let me, okay, I just, here, let me just tear out a piece of paper from my notebook. It's not gonna be the best, but, like, it'll work, I guess? Here, let me just try and, you know, clean it up. Okay, I'm sorry. I don't mean to spear it all over you. I'm sorry. Do you just want me to stop? Here, just give me your jacket sleeve. Just, here. There. Your jacket isn't the worst. Sorry. I didn't mean to fall asleep, my bad. Here, I'll just, I'll just sketch in something to keep me awake. Sorry, this is really relaxing. Okay. Ooh, wait, you see that building over there? Like how the reflection of, like, the glass is, like, the same color as, like, the sky with the sunset, right? I should write that down. Hold on. Lighting all in caps and bold. That needs enhance the lighting. That's a major part. Circle it, dot it, highlight it, whatever. I have something. I got something. My idea. No. I'm not gonna spoil. No spoilers. Let me just... I'll sketch this out, okay? You will get the grand reveal once it's done, okay? I promise. Yeah, the sky was a major art inspiration. My art block is finally gone. Oh, I probably jinxed it, but you know, whatever. I'm fun fact, I was, like, actually going through withdrawals from like, having no inspiration to draw for, like, a good, like, week or so. I was having major withdrawal. No, because every, like, drawing I made looked ugly. It looked absolutely atrocious. You can't force the inspiration. You can't force the inspiration, darling. You can't. Nope. Trust me, I'd love to go to an art school, but if I was forced to do art in an assignment and, like, I wasn't having any motivation or inspiration at all, I promise you, it was going to look absolutely just throw it in the trash, throw it in the dumpster. That would be my first thought. I promise you, I would not be happy with it. I'd honestly probably cry. I have cried over my art before, yes. It's embarrassing. No, I'm not. No, I don't. No, we don't speak about that. We don't talk about that, okay? We don't talk about that. That was embarrassing. That was a very embarrassing time. Ooh, wait, I should color code this. Hey, wait, babes. Babes. Could you over there? That building with the pool on the roof? Yes, could you go, like, closer? I know I said I didn't want you to be seen, but in the name of art, you have to get closer. Don't treat me like I'm a king. Your wish is my command. Don't do that. Okay, perfect. You can go back to... We can continue on a regular path. The lighting is really doing it for me, okay? It's the lighting, I promise you. Sunset, moon lighting, and sunrise lighting is literally like mind changing, okay? Like, if you have no inspiration, look at the sun. If it burns your eyes, who cares? Look at the sun. Look at the lighting. It'll mesmerize you. The motivation will go away the second you fuck up the lighting, though, I promise you. It's not a fun experience the second you mess it up. But I am on my high right now, and I will not let it fall. I am on a mission. This will look magnificent. Wait, I wonder if I should paint this on my bedroom wall. It may or may not be full of all my other drawings and graffiti, but who says I can't just, like, summon another wall? I can so figure out how to summon another wall. Watch me, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it one day, and then I'll have plenty of space to draw on walls. Wait, I should paint the kitchen like this. That'd be nice. I would probably make a mess of the kitchen and ruin all the utensils. That's a good point. Ah, who cares? I can get new utensils. I can get new utensils. In the name of art, I must go through with my plan. Plan on painting kitchen wall. Okay. Ooh, wait, you wanna know something that'd be funny? What if I, like, secretly put, like, I put mine, Donnie's, Raph, and Leo's faces on there, but I hid them. Like, you know that one person, like on social media who, like, hid Sonic in every single one of their, like, what's it called? Art assignments? Just, like, somehow, like, kind of hid Sonic the Hedgehog in there, just, like, kind of put him in there, a tiny little chibi version of him. Yes, that's what I'm thinking. Like, I secretly, like, draw us in, like, this cute little art form and, like, just, like, hide them in corners that, like, kind of resemble, like, the color scheme that I use. So, like, you have to, like, squint and try to find it. Yeah, that'd be really, really cute. Let me write that down again. There we go. I can't spell. Wonderful. Okay. Will not highlight the chibi on that. Underline it, circle it, enhance it. Yes, I always talk to myself like this when I'm on an inspirational high. If it bothers you, I can stop. Oh, okay. Well, if you like hearing me ramble, you're gonna have to hear me ramble this entire time because I am not gonna be able to stop. I'm warning you. The two of you went around New York City. It took a while, to say the least, from the start of sundown to where the moon and the stars are visible high in the damn sky. Needless to say, you were pretty tired after that. Sure, you could handle Mikey sitting in your back as you flew around, but still, the weight of another person, well, turtle, on your back can fatigue someone after a while. When you landed, Mikey was in such a daze and on an inspirational high, he didn't realize you were basically about to sweat buckets. It wasn't till you were laying down on the nice, cool grass and letting out the biggest sigh of relief known to man that he noticed how tired you were. Huh? Oh, babes, are you okay? Are you alright? Oh. But we could have landed earlier if you were this tired. Here, have some water. No problem. And don't ask where I got this from. No! I did not steal. I fight criminals. I am not a criminal. If you needed to land, I wouldn't mind. I mean, what if you fell or like got exhausted, you crashed into something, or even crash landed and you know. Well, I am not overthinking. Those are some serious concerns. You could hurt yourself. Just tell me if you need to land or take a breather next time. Promise? You will? Great. Anyways, well, while you rest, can I show you the sketches I made? No? Okay. Um, what? You were just messing with me? Babe, you can't do that. I thought you were mad at me or something. You know how much my art means to me? Yeah, you were so in the wrong that time. You were so in the wrong for that one. Mm-mm. Don't get pouty. I am not being pouty. I'm not being pouty or sassy at all. Anyways, so this one, if I can find it, give me 1 second. Okay, this one. This one is a sketch of the hill where we started, and the sun is setting, and all normal, but the sky right here, it's all stripy with like the normal sunset colors, like like stripy designs on like the back of skateboards that some people get like commissioned and stuff like that. Yeah. They're in that like design shape. You follow? Okay, good, great. And here is all New York, and the colors reach out till we get to the hill. And those right there, those two circles next to each other are um, well, they're you and me. I was kinda caught up in the moment, so I decided to add us where the hill is, and see how calm it is? In perfect contrast to the sun. But it symbolizes how nice and calm I feel when I'm around you. Huh? What? What's with that look? You're gonna cry? No, no, no. What? You're gonna cry? What did I do? Was it something I said? What? Because I'm so sweet? Don't, don't say that. I'm not. I'm just saying how I feel. Just, here, just let me hold you. Is that better? Good. I thought I made you upset again. You really need to stop scaring me like that. It's fine, it's fine. I'm holding you now, so I am A-okay. Let's just, let's just stay like this for a bit. I like this. It's comfy. Mm-hmm. I'm done with the video, but at what cost? Because I have the worst hiccups known to fucking man. And I'm out of water, so... oh, Jesus. I'll have to go get myself some. I've been having these hiccups all day. It was like near impossible for me to actually record that video because, like, I was having hiccups left and right. To the right, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. Like, that was literally how it was. Like, and I still have them. Like, oh, it was a mess. Anyways, that video's done. It was more of like an ambient video, today, to say the least. I hope you didn't mind that, though. Like, you know, trying new things and stuff like that never hurt anybody, right? So. But anyways, I have other scripts done and ready soon. So, that's basically... oh, Jesus! Someone send help, please. That's basically... that is basically... all I have. So, like, comment, subscribe if you want, of course, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye!